Does the liquid soap trick really work for clearing light drain clogs, and is it recommended by professional plumbers? Many plumbers accept that a small amount of liquid soap followed by hot water can lubricate and soften grease, clogs in kitchen sink drains, making them easier to move along the pipes. To try this, pour a quarter cup of dish soap slowly into the drain. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then flush with a kettle of hot but not boiling water to avoid damaging PVC plumbing. For bathroom sinks and slow tubs, use a similar approach but reduce the water temperature and volume because older pipes and seals can be sensitive. Combine soap with warm water and repeat once if needed, rather than using increasingly hot water. If the clog is hair-based, run a metal or plastic drain snake gently to break the obstruction after the soap treatment, pulling out loosened material rather than forcing it further. For kitchen grease, avoid chemical drain cleaners because they can damage pipeliners and harm septic systems. Mechanical removal and routine hot water and soap flushes after each greasy wash are safer, long-term practices. When using any tool, wear nitrile gloves and eye protection, and work slowly so you do not dislodge a partial clog into a tighter spot deeper in the trap. If you cannot remove the blockage with these steps within 30 to 40 minutes, or if water backs up into other fixtures, stop and call a plumber to prevent escalation and avoid causing a clog to migrate into the main sewer line. Common mistakes include pouring boiling water directly into plastic piping, which can soften or warp the pipe. So instead, use just hot water below boiling and test the pipe temperature tolerance when known. Another frequent error is over-reliance on liquid soap for severe or long-standing blockages that require mechanical extraction and camera inspection, and the fix is to use a snake or call a professional rather than repeatedly pouring home remedies. A third issue is assuming soap will clear chemical residues or foreign objects, so do not use soap for items like small toys or heavy mineral buildup. Remove these with pliers, a snake, or professional service. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where we share experiences and practical tips like this soap method. We help contractors find new projects and homeowners compare approaches and learn from peers.